Welcome guys. Today's topic we're going to be talking about is the role of the hip for runners. So in the clinic what we commonly see is runners who are either experienced or new to the sport coming in complaining of issues such as knee pain. And as physios, when we assess and diagnose this, more often than not what we're looking for is problems further up the chain. So for example, something we see quite commonly is issues in the hip. So why is the hip so important when it comes to knee pain in running? Well, the hip is really going to control the position of our knee when we plant our foot. So if we have poor control through there, what's going to happen is that the other areas are going to be predisposed to doing more work, and then that's going to cause an overload injury. So what we do here is we're looking to try and find those problem areas in your hip, and we've got to improve them. So I like to think of the hip as the area which transitions movement from your core through to your knee and your lower leg as well. So if we don't have that coordination, that strength and that mobility through your hip, then the other areas are not going to be able to perform as optimally as what they could. So commonly what we're trying to do with your hip is make sure it has good flexibility and mobility, good range of motion, good strength and power through there as well. If all those things are working well together, then what you're going to have is a low risk of injury as well as an increased performance rate basically. So more power, more strength, a better run basically. So what we're going to talk about going forwards is some exercises that you can do to optimize your hip and make sure that you keep yourself relatively injury free. Thank you.